If you don't understand this one page, your startup will struggle. Hi, everyone. Today we're talking about the business model canvas. Think of it as a strategic map that lets you visualize your entire business on a single sheet of paper. Why do startups use it? Because traditional 50-page business plans are often outdated before you even finish writing them. The canvas is fast, flexible, and keeps you focused on what actually matters. Let's break down the 9 essential blocks. First, customer segments. Who are you solving a problem for? For example, if you're a food app, your segment might be busy office workers who want healthy meals fast. Next is value proposition. This is the why. Why should customers buy from you? It could be your price, your speed, or a unique feature. Using our food app example, the value is fresh meals delivered in under 15 minutes. Third, channels. How do you reach your customers? This is your app, your social media, or even physical stores. Fourth, customer relationships. How do you interact with them? Is it through automated support or a premium personal concierge service? 5. Revenue streams. How is the business making money? Is it a one-time purchase, a monthly subscription, or ad revenue? Now let's look at the backstage. 6. Key resources. What do you need to operate? This could be your software developers, a warehouse, or your brand's patent. 7. Key activities. What is the most important thing you do every day? For us, it's cooking the food and managing the delivery logistics. 8. Key partnerships. Who are your allies? Maybe it's local farmers for fresh ingredients or a cloud service provider for your app. And finally, 9. Cost structure. What are your biggest expenses? Think salaries, marketing, and raw materials. Let's see it in action. Imagine an eco-friendly coffee startup. They fill their canvas starting with eco-conscious coffee lovers. Their value, compostable pods. Their revenue, a coffee of the month club. By filling this out, the whole team knows exactly how the business generates value. The key takeaway is this: if you can explain your business on one page, you truly understand it. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. Next, we'll show you how to turn this canvas into a formal business plan that investors will absolutely love. See you in the next one.